Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to reset up network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Here we've got reset options, so let's enter, and as you can see the first option is the option we're looking for, so reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Let's tap on it. Your device is again informing you what it will reset. So just tap on reset settings. If you've got the pattern pin or password, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And here again your device will ask you, because remember you cannot undo this action. So you will have to add all of the Wi-Fi connections, Bluetooth devices and so on again. So just tap on reset settings if you're ready. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.